Welcome to this hypnotherapy session, designed to help you transform your daily commute into a peaceful, relaxing experience. Please ensure you're listening to this recording in a safe, comfortable environment where you won't be disturbed. Find a comfortable chair or lying position, keeping your head supported. Place your hands comfortably on your lap or at your sides. While practicing the techniques learned here, never listen while driving or operating machinery. For now, keep your eyes open and focus straight ahead. We'll begin the session shortly, and I'll guide you when to close your eyes. This recording is not a replacement for medical advice or treatment, and by continuing, you acknowledge that you take full responsibility for your well-being during and after this session. I'm going to hypnotize you now. You're already feeling that familiar sensation of wanting to let go, aren't you? In a moment, I'll ask you to close your eyes, and when you do, you'll find yourself drifting into a wonderful state of relaxation. Your unconscious mind is already preparing for this journey. Now close your eyes and allow yourself to be hypnotized. That's right. With each word I speak, you're going deeper and deeper into this comfortable state. You can feel your eyelids becoming heavier and heavier, sealing shut so completely that they simply won't open until I tell them to. Try to open them now. Notice how they remain pleasantly sealed. That's perfect. Imagine yourself surrounded by the most beautiful, crystal-clear tropical water. The temperature is absolutely perfect. Not too warm, not too cool. Just right for your body to feel completely comfortable and supported. The gentle waves create a soft, rhythmic motion. You can feel the warm sun on your face, while a light breeze carries the fresh scent of salt water. The water holds you perfectly, supporting every part of your body. You're floating effortlessly, safely, completely at peace. With each gentle wave that passes beneath you, you sink deeper into this peaceful state. The water seems to become even more buoyant, making you feel lighter and lighter. Ten, floating peacefully. 9, drifting deeper. 8, every muscle releasing completely. 7. The water supports you perfectly. 6. Deeper and deeper still. 5. Everything else fading away. 4. Pure tranquility. 3. Completely safe and secure. 2. Deeper than ever before. 1. Perfect peaceful floating. From now on, whenever you find yourself in traffic, your mind automatically creates this peaceful floating sensation. Each time you stop at a red light, you sink deeper into this feeling of being supported by warm, tropical waters. Every brake light you see becomes a gentle reminder to float peacefully in this moment. The slower the traffic moves, the deeper you float in tranquility. Your car becomes your personal sanctuary of calm. Each breath you take while driving fills you with this peaceful floating sensation. Traffic becomes your opportunity to experience deep relaxation. Imagine yourself driving tomorrow, noticing how naturally you slip into this peaceful floating state. See yourself completely relaxed behind the wheel, floating in tranquility as traffic slows. Picture yourself smiling at red lights, using each moment to sink deeper into this peaceful state. Visualize yourself arriving at your destination, feeling refreshed, relaxed, and rejuvenated. Each drive becomes an opportunity for relaxation, each traffic delay a gift of peaceful floating. Now it's time to bring this peaceful energy back with you. I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you'll begin to feel more alert and aware while maintaining this wonderful sense of calm. 1. Energy beginning to return to your body. 2. Becoming more aware of your surroundings. 3. Feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 4. Eyes beginning to flutter open. 5. Fully awake, alert, and feeling wonderful. Remember, each time you practice this technique, it becomes stronger and more automatic. Your commute is now your special time for relaxation and renewal. You can return to this peaceful floating state whenever you choose, each time going deeper than before. Thank you for sharing this journey. Until we meet again, float peacefully through each day.